Hey, Alex.
Mayor, can I just quickly this is the mayor of Lakewood. For those of you who don't know this, because it's going to be on YouTube. And your name is, Mayor?
Mike Summers. Yeah, good to see you, Alex.
He's a busy guy, so I'll just let him go. But this is a wonderful thing you got doing here, right? All the kids and stuff.
Well, we love our kids and we love our parks, and this is a great combination. We love our equipment.
And you see
too.
that new thing they got?
Oh, of course, yeah. That's
Because I walked in, I was like, what's that?
brand new. It finished last night. It's been on the drawing boards for 2 years.
Last night?
Yeah, they just put it together
I
finally.
got to come in when no one's here.
Yeah.
And take pictures from the top.
It's going to be hard to do.
Oh wow! Got to climb up something?
Yeah, there's steps that go up.
Oh,
So yeah,
okay.
no, that was all part of the original redevelopment of Kids Cove, but that's the last piece. It's a good one too.
Well, thank you, sir.
Yeah, good to see you, Alex.
Wow.